I have to ask you because it's his ground. I'm not asking him this. I'll ask you. I mean, the facility and the pitch at the Eden Gardens now. I mean, if you would have bowled there, I know you would have loved it. But do you actually think? I mean, it's a sporting wicket for the last couple of years which you've prepared. The current Indian side, given the bowling crop, is actually can take on the best in the world, fast bowling unit?
I think without any doubt, I think today the team, the change between now and 20 years back is these boys are much more confident about themselves. I think they are fearless. The fear was there till very, very long in Indian team. When I started playing also, the fear was there. I hope they don't drop me. I hope this shouldn't happen. So many things, question mark. Today, the player become ruthless. Their approach is fantastic, which I would like to give a credit to every generation. They come out and they start playing well. And financially also they are much better, so they are not worried about that. I don't know today's cricket because I don't go close to them. I stay away because that's their time. But whatever I see on television and whatever I see on papers, I think I was talking to Dhoni last week and he said, now they are fearless. And that is the biggest change in our system. Let it be cricket, let it be a way of life.
Do you agree? Mentality?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I was reading about Hardik Pandya this morning where he said, I have asked for rest. You know, this man sitting on my right.
131 test matches except that.
And he couldn't afford to because he never knew whether somebody else would come in and take his place. So it was the same with me. You know, born in an era where they produced some world-class batsmen and this was unheard of. But as he said very rightly, the players are different, the mindsets are different. They express themselves, they're fearless, and you can see the game going forward.
Paji, you mentioned Dhoni. I mean, are you happy with the fact that the captain is backing Dhoni the way he is? I mean, if you think of him or you towards the end of it, if Indian cricket history, legends have not been given their due, but this guy is actually seeing his captain back him.
I think I wouldn't say not given due. Every cricketer got enough. If some cricketer are unhappy, you can't change their mindset. But look at Sachin, got a reception today. Saurav walks anywhere, walk out, and people love him. Sunil Gavaskar goes. Even the Bishan Singh Bedi, Prasanna Chandra, they come out. They all get loves. Sometimes you measure with a finance. That's a different thing. Otherwise, I don't think so. The cricketer don't get love and affection from the common person in India. Financially. I cannot say that.
What I want to know from you, two final questions. It is about respect. I mean, obviously we are trying to say some things in the media about MS Dhoni, you mentioned him. But to see Virat coming and defending him in the press conference.
He doesn't have to. I don't think so. He's good enough, he's good enough. The day he won't be good enough, he will be out. I think leave it to the selector. People like us should not jump into the start saying something. The person who serves so well, done so good, I think the captain knows what he requires. As I mentioned before also, Sunil Gavaskar sometime in that age didn't get runs, still I want him. Because the strength of the captain is if you have mature player also with you, with the youth and maturity is there, you can get it best. That's my opinion, but I would like to say Dhoni is not the person who will like to stick around when he don't think he can play enough. I think only captain I would say who let it go, played 90 test matches and said, I don't want to play any more test matches. Easy to say, but very difficult to do. He done it before, he will do it again when he think it's not good enough.
You agree?
Yeah, I agree. I absolutely agree. But I have a feeling that he needs to play 2020 cricket differently. He's still an asset in the 50 overs game. When everybody's game changes, you know, the pace which Kapil Dev started in his early career, later on he adapted his game to suit conditions. So everybody adapts. And I think he can still be an asset to the side in 50 overs cricket, definitely. In 20 overs cricket, I think he needs to change his game to be around. But I think I like Virat Kohli. I like the way he goes about his job. He's a leader. You know, he backs his boys. Dhoni. He backs his boys. He talks about them. He protects himself in public, and that's how a leader should be. And if you want to build a team, that's how you go about it.
I think he protect Dhoni. Does Dhoni require to be protected by anybody? I don't agree. No way. I think he's a great player, still have an average better than anybody else. Yes, I like to agree with Saurabh. He have to change his mindset. Sometime you get into that groove where you don't know what to do, how to do it. But I think let's not talk about a great player. You don't talk about Sachin, you don't talk about Saurabh, you don't talk about Sunil Gavaskar. They know what to do. Certain people, the people who are sitting in the edge, we can talk about them, not the people who understand the game and control the game. A man like Dhoni, he controls the game, he doesn't play the game.
Paji, let's finish it. Mr. Dalmia's home ground, Eden Gardens, India versus Sri Lanka. India wins, Mr. Dalmia will have been happy.
No, otherwise I think Indian team is far, far better. I just want to say one thing. Let's play to the best of our ability. If other team come out, play well, still respect them. But I think today, looking at our team is far, far better. And I hope Sri Lanka can fight back enough to people to come back to the ground and enjoy themselves.
You have the last word.
Yeah, I think India favourites, but anything can happen in cricket.
You know, that's it. I mean, two people. The one thing that came through in that little interaction, again on the day when we are doing the Jagmohan Dalmia conclave, is the word respect. Sourav Ganguly, Kapil Dev, both of you, we respect both of you for what you've done, what you've given this game, and for what you've achieved. I'm sure even 100 years down the line, when we do the 101st conclave, that same respect will be there. Thank you, Kapil Paji. Thank you, Saurabh, for speaking today. Thanks a lot.